Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt less sour easy guide. Use fresh milk or a milder starter, dilute with cream or milk to soften tang, and sweeten lightly with honey or fruit puree. Chill the yogurt longer at stable, cool temperatures to mellow acidity. Taste frequently and adjust with plain yogurt to balance flavor. Keep small test batches so you can refine texture and taste without wasting ingredients. Warm milk to around 45 degrees C before adding starter to encourage a gentle fermentation and less sourness. Use a mild starter strain or mix old and new yogurt to dilute aggressive cultures. Incubate in a warm, stable environment for shorter time to prevent excess acidity. Strain overnight for creamy texture and milder taste. Add a pinch of baking soda cautiously to neutralize acid if needed, and always taste along the way. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more helpful content. Quick recommendation: droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the Oala water bottle. It's handy while cooking and taste testing yogurt. I use it in the kitchen to keep hands clean between tastings. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one too. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Balance sourness by adding sweeteners, fruit purees, or vanilla for immediate improvement. Stir in mashed banana or cooked apple for natural sweetness and body. Use a little salt to enhance perceived sweetness and reduce sharpness. Try blending with cream or whole milk for richer, milder results. Refrigerate promptly in airtight containers to slow acid development. When serving, combine with granola or jam to create harmonious flavors that mask residual tang without hiding freshness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.